Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix a Fortnite crash reporter. First, restart Fortnite and your device. Then update Fortnite to the latest version via the Epic Games launcher. Verify game files in the launcher. Then, update your GPU drivers to the latest stable version. Clear the Epic Games launcher cache. Close the launcher, delete the Epic Games launcher folder in Program Data, and then relaunch. Disable background apps that conflict with Fortnite. Then, lower in-game graphics settings to reduce instability. Reinstall Fortnite if crashes persist. Next, contact Epic Games support if the crash reporter loop continues. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.